We're now into July of the year 2009. We're coming down the stretch. Today is Friday. We've completed the inner fender installation. As you see, the black inner fenders here, they protect the engine compartment from the weather. That's a two-piece assembly. They've been refinished as good as the exterior of any Rolls-Royce or Jaguar made today, if not better. There's the cadmium-plated hood support. We're looking here at the firewall, which I might have commented on in a previous video. Everything has been totally disassembled, rebuilt, refinished, replated to make it the finest of any restoration that we've done in 30 years in our collection. As you see, we're looking at the front of the engine compartment, and the radiator and grill are not installed. We've been waiting for 3 weeks. Every week they tell us that the grill, is complete. They sent it to us one time only for us to find out that they never assembled all the slats that had to be hand riveted. That should be here tomorrow on a Saturday. We take pleasure in looking at each nut and bolt that has been removed and CAD plated, rethreaded, or cleaned, all the threads cleaned and reset. Obviously, new wires for our wiring harness. The radiator, which is not in yet, has been rebuilt and finished to ultra show condition, no different than the frame that you're looking at. Every part of the frame has been stripped down, high speed, buffed with a brace of wheels till the chassis shined like polished stainless steel. And then each section of the chassis was primed with epoxy primers and then fillers to take out any scratches or imperfection before being final coated in 9300 urethane. We're looking here at the air and horn openings. The horn covers, as you see, had to be modified for this automobile. This has Marshall headlights, which is really rare to find today, and Marshall parking lights. The car has a super straight side with all these swept contours. There's not a ripple to be found. The doors were just installed this past week and meticulously adjusted. As you see, the margins on here are better than they ever were new at the factory. Every line is perfect. Window seal and channel fits great. Look down here at our margins. You see how everything is right in there, dead on. Opening up the door, we can show that they spared no expense in the construction of this, as the entire door assembly, the post, and the rocker panel are all chrome plated. The post is chrome plated also, and the same type of trim goes on the doors. Right now we have the windows in, and you're looking right now at a insulated covering that gets applied to the doors to prevent moisture and dampness over the years. It prevents it from being absorbed by the leather door panels. Everything really fits good, as you'll hear the door on its own. This top, which was a new top, we removed it prior to the changing of the color and the total refinish on the car. And we intend to put a brand new top on there. It has the correct lights on the back as when it was originally built. We found new old stock ones. It took us over 6 months to find these lenses. In here in the trunk, you're looking at the material for the carpeting, so forth, is laid in there. The tools are we're just dry fitting them now. And these parts, obviously, there's the green pieces you're looking at. They are filler panels that go between the body and the bumper. Down this side too, we look at straight as an arrow panels. Over here on our left are just the few hundred more parts to go together. The chrome pieces you're looking at now go around the doors. There's trim that goes around the convertible top. These are channels that get rubber gaskets in there. The bumpers, which have been plated, taken off and stripped down. We did find flaws in there. There's a little dot in there and another imperfection. Once we dry fit these back on the automobile, they'll be taken off and sent out to get plated again. There's our stainless steel exhaust, which is the third exhaust system on this car. It's the first in stainless steel. Some mistakes were made and the pieces were cut too short. So these are all out to be redone again. That means a new exhaust system. Once again, we're looking here at the door panel cover, which will be installed correctly. These are more inner fender pieces and a multitude of nuts, bolts, and additional finish to go on our 1953 Bentley Graber drop head. We're proud of what we've done to this so far and hope it to be the most magnificent one ever. Have a good day.